6 reasons he's not sexually into you. In this video I am going to show you the 6 reasons he's not sexually into you. Having sexual chemistry is very important for many relationships, and when that dies, most relationships don't survive it. Nobody wants to feel physically unattractive or unwanted, it's just not a good feeling. You may be wondering why your man suddenly stopped being sexually attracted to you. Here are some reasons. 1. He may have some health problems. Your man may have an underlying health condition, and because men find it hard to talk to people about things like this, you may be left in the dark. You could feel like it's your fault or there's something wrong with you, but there isn't. Get him to open up and seek medical help. 2. He's just not ready to have sex with you. This one is for people that haven't had sex with their boyfriends yet. He's probably not ready to have sex with you because of some personal reasons like his religious or moral beliefs. There's also a chance he's not yet comfortable enough around you for sex, or he's just being a gentleman and trying to be respectful. 3. He's cheating. If your man is getting his sexual satisfaction somewhere else, then he wouldn't be interested in sex with you, or at least not as much as he used to be. When a man is cheating on you, you will begin to notice strange shifts in his attitude towards you. He will also become very secretive and very cautious with his phone. 4. He got bored. A man's desire to have sex can reduce with time, especially if he begins to find you boring. If you're never in the mood for anything or prefer to always take a slow approach to sex, he will get bored and cut off sexual relations with you. If he always feels like he has to work extra hard to get some, he will become sexually distant, and he will likely look for it where it's easy and fun. 5. He may be too eager to impress you. This sounds funny, but it's true. Your man may be too anxious about pleasing you in bed that it affects his performance. It takes just one failed trial, and after that, he would be too embarrassed, and he would withdraw from any sexual activity with you. He also won't want to talk about it, and that would leave you blaming yourself and feeling you weren't attractive enough. 6. The attraction faded with time. In long-term relationships, a man's sexual desire for you can disappear with time, especially if both of you have lived together for a while. It is possible that he still loves you very much, but just not in a sexual way. When this happens, he will begin to treat you more like a sister or a best friend than his sexual partner. While both of you may still have great times together, you will notice that the romance isn't there anymore. These are some common reasons your man is sexually distant. If you notice that his sexual desire for you has dwindled, the first thing to do is to have a sincere conversation with him to find out what your next step would be, and how to bring back that fiery desire that once drove him crazy about you. Look out for the next videos in this series. If you like this video, hit the like button. To get notified of my new videos, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for instant notification.